Joined now by Stephanie Haynes, who has been in the courtroom since day one. There has been a lot to follow here, from the opening statements through Kyle Rittenhouse taking the stand to the closing arguments, and now waiting 3.5 days. So begin with how you saw this trial unfold.
Yeah, Charles, so many things happening. Let's go way back 3 weeks ago when this all started. It started with jury selection. That lasted a whole day. They picked 20 jurors. 2 were dismissed sometimes throughout the trial. 18 sat and listened to the entire testimony, and then 12 rendered the verdict that we had today. But like you said, after the jury was picked, both attorneys, each side went into their opening statements, and then the prosecution got to present their case. They took a little more than 5 days to present their case, going over all of the plenty of video that we have of the moments before, during, and after the shootings. And then the prosecution called some key witnesses to the stand: Richie McGinnis, who witnessed the shooting of Joseph Rosenbaum, and Gage Grosskreutz, who was shot in the arm. On cross-examination, defense attorneys were really asking Gage Grosskreutz why he brought his own handgun out that night.
And Gage was supposed to be the key witness for the prosecution. The defense knew that Kyle Rittenhouse, it was going to be all about him. He takes the stand. How did this work for the defense?
Yep, so he was the star witness of the defense taking the stand. He was on the stand for a full day last week, about an hour with direct examination with his attorney, Mark Richards, and then the rest of it was on cross-examination. We saw him break down on the stand, but he also kept repeating, I didn't want to shoot them. This happened to me in self-defense. Then there were a couple of other developments throughout this trial. The judge dismissed 2 charges. One was the gun possessions charge, because defense attorneys pointed out that state law, 16 and 17-year-olds can have certain sized rifles. So that charge got dismissed, and also the curfew violation charge that also got dismissed. And then the defense requested a mistrial twice, mostly over this drone video. But here we are today, the jury coming back with not guilty verdicts, Charles.
And while we've heard from his lawyer, we have yet to hear from Kyle Rittenhouse, and I think a lot of people are wondering, what is he going through right now? Stephanie Haynes, we appreciate that. Keep in mind, Rittenhouse has been out of custody for about a year now. There will be no sentencing because he has been found not guilty. All right, so from the very beginning, we've also had the legal advice and expert opinions here from Jonathan Lavoie. He is a defense attorney in the Milwaukee area. You've handled a lot of cases like this. These were serious charges. He faced, that is, Kyle Rittenhouse, serious consequences. So a lot on the jury to make a big decision. How'd it go?
This is as big as it gets. We're looking at either life in prison or walking out the courthouse doors, and the latter happened today. It was an historic day here in Wisconsin.
So a lot of people will be looking, there were 5 charges here, and they're wondering, wow, it was a unanimous decision for all 5. Did you think, whichever way this case was going to go, that it would be either all in for all 5 or no for all 5?
Yeah, I always thought it hung all on the first count, that if they found him not guilty of the first count, that all the other counts would follow. So I think that once they determined that he acted in self-defense the first time, everything else flowed from there.
So we knew self-defense was the key moment here, and we knew that prosecution was going to try to question that as provocation. How did the state do?
Provocation just didn't work for the state, and the defense prevailed today.
All right. Jonathan Lavoie, we appreciate your insight.